Hi, it's Wesley again with Expandacraft Modular Boats, and this is one that my client and I put together at the shop, and he is starting to doll out. He bought the last of the aluminum that's available, which is why he's got wood on either end, but it kind of works out for him and his purposes. He kind of likes to be able to screw it down here. He's got this box. I brought along my swivel seat. This is a really nice click on, click off, and it's probably the highest quality seat that I've found. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a commercial. I don't sell them. You can go to Walmart.com. A couple of other places sell them. Some places that I don't mention because I don't like their business, but they sell them. And anyway, this is 16 feet 9 inches, and it is 4 feet wide. He did this so that, one, he had this trailer, he thought he'd just go ahead and use it, but he can knock the bows off and the sterns, and yeah, I know I just did that backwards. That's the stern, that's the bow, and put the whole thing in the back of his truck instead of having to use the trailer. So sometimes he does it this way, and sometimes he does it the other. Obviously, this guy's got boats. This is just one of his many. And he wanted a boat that wasn't an enormous pain in the butt to put in the water. And he also has some smaller fishing boats, like a 16 or an 18 footer. But there's still a lot of gas. You need a whole lot more depth. And he says when he wants to just go out for a few hours, there's a place a half mile from here that he can put it in. Click, bang, boom. He's trying to decide on what motor to use. I'm going to let him use a few of ours. He may go with a gas motor. I think he'll be really impressed once he uses some of my electrics. And he's going to start from there. He's going to put another seat in the front, so when he goes with 2 people, he's rigged this to where it can quickly move that, slide it forward and back. It's a really, really nice setup. Goes through the water like a hot knife through butter. And we're going to see this one in action because he's actually a fisherman. I'm more of a sailor. I'll have to learn to fish. And this guy is going to help me out with that. Now follow us, subscribe, and you're going to get to see this boat in action, hopefully catching fish. I'll be on black and tan. He'll be on this, and we'll get some in-water, real-world speed testing. Maybe he's even get him catching a fish, I hope. Maybe I'll catch a fish. That'd be unique. Well, Expandacraft.com. Follow us, subscribe for the adventures of this boat.